Finally got our fireplace. So the plan is to install it over the wheel well, and I'm going to build an entertainment center of sorts. But my first goal is to paint this with Cool Seal, just like we put on our roof, just to kind of make it blend in a little more. And also, this thing sweats pretty bad during the winter when we get the heat going in here. So hoping that'll help insulate it a little bit and stop some of that. This is what we have on day one. We just had the framing for the fireplace. Everything fits in there nicely. We're thinking we're going to put 2 shelves here, one stacked on the other, and then a door here and a door there with shelves behind it for some more storage. So it's turning out nicely so far. And I'm exhausted. I got to go in and figure out how all the bracing behind here is going to work, and how we can put the shelves back there. And hopefully I'll have a plan together tomorrow and I can get started. Well, here it is. It's been a long time coming. I think it turned out nice. What do you guys think? So the top, I'll probably put a polyurethane coating on just to cover it up, but for right now we're gonna leave it. You can change all the colors, all those cheesy things that you can do. That's fun. But then the good stuff is that the heater is going to be our backup heat, which is pretty nice. And I have to say, I put this thing on high. It's got a high and a low, and I had it on high a few weeks ago in here running, and it heated it up fairly well. I was kind of surprised. So I think we'll use this quite a bit in the winter. Well, there you have it, guys. I sure hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this inspires you guys to get out and build something. Be creative, use all kinds of stuff. I found this live edge at Lowe's of all places. Silver birch, maybe, something like that. I was pretty excited to find that and bought it when I was in there. Good job, Lowe's. You sold me on something while I was there. Spent a little more money. Overall, though, I think this is going to be useful, and it looks pretty good too. Thanks for watching, guys.